Hello, Rick. This is Leo. We chatted on LinkedIn quickly just a few days ago, and you were interested to know how we generate more dental implant patients, and I'm going to show you everything here in this video. I'm going to try to make it very quick because there's a lot to discuss, and I want to try to keep it under 11 minutes for you. Okay, so basically in this video we're going to show you how we generated 7 new dental implant patients in just 31 days. This was done through Google advertising and a little bit of Facebook as well. Now with those leads, not all of them were dental implant patients, most of them were, but there was some Invisalign, smile makeovers and so forth. So please keep in mind this video is, this isn't really not for everybody. It's really for serious dedicated dental clinics only. And the reason why I say that, we work hard to do our best to bring you customers, but the dental clinics obviously have to do their best part by closing the deal or scheduling appointments and following up with clients as well. Okay, so let's get right to it. I'm going to show you how some of your competitors are spending a lot of money on Google AdWords, and where some people are spending $10,000 and losing and stopping their advertising altogether. That's only because they haven't done things correctly. All right, getting straight to it, you'll see Hybrid Implants here. They're spending $6,300 a month. True Dental Discounts are spending $26,000, and Aspen Dental over here is spending $290,000 a month. They're a huge company, and obviously if they're spending that much money, they're obviously making a return on their investment. And I've got the proof to show you that they've been doing this successfully for over 10 years. Okay, I'll get straight to it. Now, as I mentioned before, True Dental Discounts here. They have 6,036 paid keywords, and they're spending $26,100 a month. This is one of the tools that I use. It's called SpyFu. It's not 100% accurate. It's usually out by approximately 20%, but it gives us a very, very good indication of what they're spending, what keywords they're using, and all this kind of great stuff. So in this video, we're going to uncover why some dental competitors are spending $170,000 and others are losing $10,000 and stopping their advertisements. How you can get dental implants or Invisalign patients almost the same day and not have to worry about SEO taking forever. Look, we do SEO. We know it takes forever. And just like yourself, I'm a business owner. I'm not really interested in spending tens of thousands of dollars on SEO and hoping to get a return on my investment, after 10 months. We don't do that. We prefer to advertise, gauge it, and get instant results. We've also got tools here how to prevent good dental leads to run away to your competitors. How this channel is a perfect add-on or replacement to your existing AdWords if you're advertising, and you don't have to pay a lot of money per click like the rest of the competition's doing. And how many more patients can you get in your area? Are you excited? Okay, good. Okay, so what are they doing to be spending $26,000 a month? Looking at the landing page here, I look at all my competition to see what's going on and to see how they're doing it. So I'll open up one of my other tools here. This one here is called Espionage, and basically it gives me keyword research. It shows me what keywords they're bidding on, which ones perform the best, the types of ads that they're using, the landing page that they're using, and so forth. It gives me a lot of really good insight here. I don't want to bore you with a lot of technical information, but we do a lot of our research here. Okay, so getting back to it. Remember when I mentioned to you how we stop dental leads running away to your competitors? What we do, we call this a mousetrap. On the website, instead of a client, filling out 20 questions in one go to book an appointment or ask questions, we ask them one question at a time, and it works really well. So we do something like this, to fill out a form. How long have you been planning on doing your dental implants? Easy, one question. How soon did you want to get your implants done? And all of a sudden they start filling out all these questions one by one, which makes it very easy. And all of a sudden they feel like, okay, well, look, I've gone through all this. I really can't be bothered to go to another website and go through that whole process again. and then you capture their information, and then your reception is able to contact these people. Hey, you filled out our form, and you've got all the questions that you need to know, and then you book them in, schedule them in for an appointment. It works really well. Let's get back here. How familiar with the procedure? A whole bunch of questions. I'll quickly show you how Google AdWords works. I'll make this very quick for you again. Now we've got examples here, advertiser 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now advertiser 1 hypothetically is spending $2, let's say, hypothetically, but his quality score is a perfect 10. Therefore they're able to spend less on that keyword, but Google favors them because it's a lot more relevant, so their ad rank is high and their cost per click is low, but they get first position. Whereas advertiser 4 would be spending $8 a keyword, but his quality score is very low. That means his ad is not relevant. Google doesn't like that. He's in 4th place, or even worse, maybe right down the bottom, or maybe even on the 2nd page, which means no visitors come to their website, no visitors see their ad. He's paying a fortune for his cost per click, and it's just not working. We don't do that. We try to get a perfect 10 quality score, or at the very least 7. Just some education here. I'm going to show you how the benefits of long tail keywords. So we've got an example here, hypothetical bicycle. You could put if you own a bicycle shop. That's not a great keyword. This is a better example, beach cruiser. But if somebody was to search specifically for a black 10-speed beach cruiser, for example, or dental implants in my area, or dental implants in Jericho, that's a long tail keyword, which is a lot more specific. It costs less, your ad rank goes higher, your cost per click goes down, you get a better quality score, and that keyword there is a buyer intent keyword. That means they've done their research and they're ready to take action. Okay. And here's the proof here. The Google chief economist says 60% of your quality score is determined by your click-through rate. That means if 1,000 people saw your ad and they clicked on your ad, and 1,000, let's say 100 people clicked on the ad, that means you've got 10% click-through rate, which is very good. Okay, next. There's a common practice that 90% of advertisers group their keywords, which means more relevant clicks, more fraudulent clicks, lower quality score. Solution. Let's say, for example, if we were to advertise for you, or if you were advertise for yourself, you would use a keyword such as dentist near me, or best dentist near me, or dentist in Jericho, or dental implants in Jericho. We do our research, find the keywords, we use that keyword, and we make one specific ad for that keyword. That way it's all relevant. You know, we're not going to put dental implants and then advertise dentist. We're going to use the keyword dental implants, and the ad will be dental implants. Hope that makes sense. Okay, moving to the next one. So we use the one-to-one method, which is what I just explained before. Campaign, one ad group, one keyword, and so forth. Here's an example here. We received 284 clicks for this campaign, and conversions, we had 97 people make a phone call. Now that's really high. That's a completely different market, but it gives you an idea that the way we set up our advertising, we convert. Okay, now, how many searches are there in New York? This is a Google Keyword Planner, and you can see there are 3,600 searches every month for dental implants alone. That's not for dentists, that's for dental implants. So there is a market there, and you can have a piece of that action. And this is the proof here, 4,500. So you can see they're hovering over around about 3,500 searches a month. And this is from the Google Keyword Planner. So these are not my words, this is from Google. I'm getting to the next one. Okay, I did some research for you. Now, Jericho, New York, dentist competitors. There are some opportunities here as their ads are not so relevant. So I just had a quick look. I just typed in dentist, and we've got advanced general dentist, ZocDoc, find top dentist, book your appointment, New York cosmetic dentist. Now see, that's not so relevant because people are searching for dentists, and this guy's saying he's cosmetic dentist. But maybe that person that was searching for a dentist wasn't necessarily searching for a cosmetic dentist, if that makes sense. That's why he's number 3, and that's why he's number 1. And that's where you get all the clicks and the buying customers. Moving along, Dentist Jericho. No one's advertising for that. And if they are, they're right down the bottom. Okay, so dental implants, back again. That's one of your other competitors, dental implants. What are dental implants? So we've got people advertising here. Ads are pretty good. Okay. Now, there's much more to it. There's landing page factors, which is very important. Landing page is when somebody searches a keyword. Landing page is on your website, so we direct them to the specific page, whether it's dental implants or Invisalign. We don't send them to the dentist homepage. If people search dental implants, we send them to a dental implant page, so that means we get a landing page relevance. Load speed of your website is very important. Difference of performance across devices. Okay, there's too much information here. Devices are whether they're searching on their mobile or on their laptop. Lot of information here. Now, how many more dental clients can you get? Basically, per 1 million population in an area, you would expect between 5 to 10. Jericho, I think the population, I think it was around 300,000 for Jericho, but we can target a little further away as well. Pretty good, huh? Okay. Now, Rick, I hope you enjoyed this video. There's a lot more to discuss. You can take on board everything that I've mentioned to you, and you can pass that on to the guy that does your work. But if you don't have anybody, look, we have references. We have a great team of masterminds that specialize in working with dentists and generating the best performing clients, which are dental implants. That's where the money is. And that's what we try to do our best. Obviously, you know, we are searching for a partner in your area. We're searching for a partner in every location in the States. We don't have a partner in every location, but of course we like to grow our business. Our team has worked with dental practices and we know what works. We'll set the whole thing up. No lead, no money back guarantee. Basically, we'll talk about that. I'll just keep on working until it works. Obviously, there is an investment to be made. We can talk about that, but we'll just keep on working till to make it happen so you're profitable. Because obviously, if you're profitable and you're making money, you're going to pay us every month. And that's what we care about. Okay, Rick, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll chat soon. Okay, bye for now.